So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. It really is. It's me, but it's a sick me. Oh my gosh. For those of you who are new, and we do have a lot of newcomers, so I would love to take this time to say thank you and welcome to the family. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back, guys. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have the Jeffree Star mystery box. It is supposed to be his last mystery box for the year, so he says. So let's see what we have, what's in it. I mean, I did hear a couple of spoilers. I don't know for sure. But if I cough or sniffle, I want to apologize ahead of time. Hopefully that won't happen. The magic of editing. But yeah, so if you want to see what I got in my Jeffree Star mystery box, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks! Okay guys, yes, so I had to go like retrieve the box. I'm over here doing the intro and I don't even have the box with me. So, I did get the, I don't know if this is the deluxe. Why does the, oh, this box seems like, it's kind of like smushed. So, let me just say to the newcomers, because like I said, there are a lot of newcomers. If you don't know, my name is Stephanie, and I'm considered like the host around here, and all that really means is that I'm the one who shows you the products, opens the boxes, tries on the stuff, you know, that kind of thing. Before I get into this, though, because I'm going to have to pause and open it. Wow, that is really crooked. I just hope my camera is not that crooked. Before I get into all this, let me just quickly say, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I would love to have you. Please come and join the family. If you like anything to do with the beauty, all kinds of beauty, like, you know, unboxings and tutorials, trying the products on that come in the boxes, my thoughts and opinions about said products. This isn't my normal intro, guys. I'm just really trying to not like sniffle and cough. So anyway, just please remember, if you could, to rate the video thumbs up. I just really do want to say thank you for that. For those of you who have been doing that, thank you so much. It's really been helping out. Also, please turn on your bell, because why? Because I do a whole bunch of giveaways, and that way you're notified each and every time I upload a video. I do announce the winners that way, so you don't want to miss that, you know. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this. I will find my scissors, and I will be right back. Now, I think you're going to see this on Wednesday morning, and then I know that I owe you 3 winners to my 1K giveaway. So that will be in the next video. Sorry, I had to get comfortable. Look, guys, I'm literally in my pajamas. Like, I have my fuzzy sleeping pants on, my slippers, and this is my favorite sleeping sweatshirt on. Anyway, I said, you know what? Let me just do something. And then, because I was looking at this. This came yesterday or the day before. I can't remember. It was out on my porch for hours before I realized that the neighbor called me and told me. Anyway, so, all right, I did open it, and I'm just going to pull back. I think I opened the bottom. Yeah, I did. Well, gee, because, yeah, it's upside down, Steph. Ready to go. Okay, so there you go. Now, I did hear a couple rumors about some things like exclusive and stuff, and I do know that there is a shirt, which, okay. I thought it was gold, though. I don't know. Listen, I'm all kinds of mixed up. My head is so close. I'm so sick that my head is so cold. This is the cold from the fiery pits of you-know-where. And it will not let go. I have been sick for 9 days. 9 days. I have never been sick with a cold for 9 days. And no worries. You know, I can't say what I want to say because of the monetization thing. But, yes, I was. I had something shoved up my nose. Everything is all good that way. Okay? Twice, matter of fact. Sorry, I digress. So, here's the first thing. We do have that. I do like that. Yeah, that is kind of me. Like, it really is. Believe it or not. I'm going to apologize for not putting a ton of effort into my makeup. But this is my face. Like, when I wake up, it doesn't even look like this. You know what I mean? So, I did a little something, something. Okay, I have this already, I think. I think I do. So, oh my gosh. Well, that's a mess. But maybe because I opened it right. This box was definitely kicked around. You can tell because it's like smushed. Oh my gosh, did that take forever because my glasses, I can't find them. There is this. I thought I had this. This is volume 2. But I have volume 1. And I'm wondering if, hold please. Like I thought there were doubles, you know what I mean? This is like the original volume, I think. This is the one that came. They look almost identical. They're just a little bit off on the coloring. But these are all browns, and these have like a red pinky tone to them, some of them. Some of them, like mauve, like. But these are straight like tan, browns, nudes. So there we have that. And didn't I say I don't know what I was going to do with my other one. Maybe put it in a giveaway or something. I don't know. So, oh my God. Okay, I did hear something about a purse. But it was like a bat or something. So I see now. Okay. Well, and I didn't watch any because I was like, you know, for once I want to be surprised. But then I did hear like people like chatting, and I was reading comments. I was trying to answer some people, and then it does have the logo. I kind of like this. And that's like a, I want to say peach, but it's orange. So that's kind of cute. It's totally different. I got to give it to them. Yeah, I mean, don't know if I would go out with this. Too bad it doesn't have a strap, because that would, then I would definitely wear it. Okay. So that must be the, so that's the, I think, what is that? 2 exclusives, right? We're supposed to get, I don't know how many we're supposed to get with this box. I forget all the details. I do know there's 10 products, so that's the third one. Let me see. What is this? Jeffree Star Skin. Okay, so I thought he was coming out with this way sooner. That's why I said about that face spray. Is that all he had? But apparently not. So he's coming out with that. Yay, my bank account loves that, I'm sure. And then we have the Weirdo palette, okay. Which, guys, I'm not going to open this because we all know what it looks like. It's probably all over YouTube, Instagram, what have you. Now, let me see. What okay, so then we have this. What is this? I'm trying to peek. What is it? Oh, this is blood sugar. Okay. All right. So that's really good because guess what? I have it. I have, not only do I have the original blood sugar in the white case, except I don't have the white case. I have the red carton. Yeah, see? This color. I have this one. And I have the white one. This is red and this is white, I think. I know this part is white. It's his anniversary one. I did get that. So I have 3 now. 2 of these and 1 of the other kind. Hold on. Let me put that together. Sorry. All right. Why did I think I could film sick? It was stuck to the top. So here we have paper. I'm going to stick that there. We don't need that. And then we have, so that, what is this? Is a lip scrub, right? What is that? So that's cute. I like that. Wow. Can I set this over here now? Yeah. Oh my gosh. My arm hurts. It's been actually better because I haven't gotten the shot. How do I open this? Oh gosh. So I haven't been using it because I've been like, listen, guys, I've been in bed for 9 days, and that is not me. I'm going crazy, like not kidding. Oh, it's licorice. I like black licorice. Like like black jelly beans, black licorice. I know I'm weird, but I do like it. So this is interesting. Okay. It smells like it. I hope it tastes like it. That would stink if it didn't taste like it. Just like it. So then we have the four other things. What is this now? This is 6 feet under. I don't think I have this. I don't really have anything from the cremated. And, oh man, this thing, his packaging. Why do I do this? Okay, there. I always forget. So this is kind of pretty, kinda. It has a lot of sparkle in it. Like, look at, there's a lot of glitter in that. See that glitter? I wonder if, okay, I'll put it away later. Okay, so we have this in Dominatrix. I believe this is too dark for me. I don't know. Well, yeah, that's kind of dark. I don't really see myself using that. I'm not a fan of the Velvet Trap formula, even though it is pretty cool with the magnetic like closure and all that, and the packaging is pretty. But I'm just not a fan of the formula. I have a couple of them. This is Unicorn Blood. Again, very dark. And you know me, guys. I'm not like a really dark lip person. Like when I put reds on and things like this, it makes me look like 1,000 years older. It really does. Okay, so the last and final thing is Diet Shane. Kind of know who this is going to, I think, if this is what I think it is. I do like the packaging on this, I must say, because it is like the Velvet Trap. This is Diet Shane, and it does smell like root beer. So I have somebody that this is going to, and you know who you are. Just saying. So, okay, give me a second. Let me see what I have here and compare it to what I have in my collection, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here's what I'm going to do. All right, because I have, and it's very strange because I don't know. I'm on the fence about this. Even though I don't have anything from the cremated palette, and I heard that I mean, I would have to look online. I forgot what this looks like. Maybe I'm just going to take a look at it really quick. Just let me see if I can peel it off without ripping it, because I'm usually pretty good at this. Let me shut up before I mess myself up. Hold on. I got it. Okay, so I didn't rip anything yet. I don't know what's got a hold of me, guys. This is really weird because I mean, unless I have pneumonia, which, yeah, that sometimes happens. Okay, so this is kind of nice. I mean, I like the, oh, upside down. I do like the packaging. All right, let me look at the color story again. That's weird color. Oh, that's him on there. Okay. I didn't really pay attention to the outside. Huh. Okay, well, see, looks like, okay, so there is the palette. I'm going to like hold it like that. So that is mostly like, I want to say there's like a little bit of the blood sugar. And then of course you have a lot right here, like here. Okay. Like here, here. These 6 shades, remind me of like cremated, I guess. And then these right here remind me of blood sugar. So it's kind of like a mush of the two. All right. Well, I don't have anything from the cremated palette. I gave all of my singles away. It's a really thick protector too. That's cool. All right, so here's what I'm going to do, guys. Since I have the blood sugar palette already, I am going to go ahead and give that away, okay? All right, so I'm going to hold off on this. If you guys don't know, I do have the prick palette. I have a giveaway going on right now. It ends November 1st, okay? I will pick the winner on the 2nd for that. And I also have the Pink Religion palette up for grabs. I got an extra one. It's only the palette. But you know that I always throw like a couple extra things in there. At least I try anyway. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give away the blood sugar palette because I already have it and I have even a second one. I was going to, because I have so many giveaways going on right now. And guys, there's so many more coming. You don't even want to know. There's so many more. I'm not kidding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this and the dominatrix in. This is what you, really my hair like all over everything in 2 seconds. So you see that it's still in its packaging. I can push it down a little more. This will go in the giveaway, okay? Guys, I have a week of advent calendars, okay? I'm going to try to do like, I don't know if I have 7. I don't think I bought 7, but it's going to be like 1 week with a bunch of advent calendars. It's not going to be the whole week, but I'm going to put 1 week aside to do the advent calendars. They are trickling in. I just haven't been able to do anything. Now, so I know I didn't give you the winners, but I'm starting this giveaway. This is going to run for 2 weeks. That's it. And then, okay, 2 weeks. Blood sugar palette and the dominatrix in the Velvet Trap. Because I don't really like the formula all that much. And I have this palette. All right, so there you have it. That is my Jeffree Star Halloween Mystery Box for 2021. Apparently the last one for the year. And I'm going to end it with a giveaway. Now, that being said, do not go anywhere because I will have to tell you what else is going on. We have, if you don't know, I have a giveaway going on in Ice Cream Beauty. That is over there. I don't think it's announced. It's just a surprise on the thumbnail. I will link that down below. The rules to this giveaway are, first and foremost, you must be subscribed to this channel. You also must be public so that when I click on your icon, I can see who else you are subscribed to, including myself, okay? That is a must. That is the most important one. Also, you must be 18 or older. Also, yeah, it's open international. The word I want you to use in the comment section is scary, right? And then, I don't know, put something red down there for symbolize like blood, okay? Some kind of red emoji. You know how I do it. So the word scary and red emoji. Anything red, I don't much mind what it is. Okay, must use it in a sentence. Do not just put it in like just that word. You have to put it in a sentence. And yeah, there you have it, guys. All in all, I mean, I gotta say, I think it was a pretty good box. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's cool. If I was like more of a lippy person with his lippies, I gotta say, I'm not. I mean, I like his lipsticks, but they do the gunky thing on me. But I mean, like, that's a lot of lipstick since I have this one. I mean, I don't know. I guess because, I wonder why he had, because of this maybe? I don't know. I know he said that he had to make that a different size. So I guess it was for the lippies. But okay, there you have it. And then also, remember, I do have a big Jeffree Star, nothing but multiple items from Jeffree Star coming up. That is going to be more towards Christmas, like the holidays. And also a Natasha Denona giveaway coming up. That too will be geared towards Christmas. Also, when I get in December, guys, I am going to do the 7 days Vlogmas that I did like last year. 7 days giveaways where it will be like a little one item giveaway. Okay. So yeah, did I miss anything? Be subscribed. Soap and International. I'm just going to keep doing that for as long as I can. International, since it's just these two things. And it, guys, it will just be these two things. I'll probably put like a little thank you card in there, whatever, you know how I do it. But definitely these two items. I promise you at least these two items, okay? I think that's it. I'm going to get up out of here because I have one more video to film and then I'm taking my butt to bed because the medicine is going to start to wear off and I'm going to start hacking really bad. So if you have not yet subscribed, guys, please consider doing so. I would love to have you in this family. It is a family. I treat it as such. But until I see you in the next one, please remember, if you're going through something, talk about it. Don't stuff it. If you're asked to listen, please do that. You could help someone. And remember, like I say in all my videos, in this crazy mixed up world we live in all across the globe, please, to all my family members out there, stay safe. Till the next one, see ya.